Hello everyone, welcome to Motaliens, and we are almost at the end of 2017 year, and this video is all about for the superbike beginners. We understood there is a lots of confusion running around your mind to choose which is the best mid-range superbike, and this video will help you to choose the best. Let's start with Horizon GT 650R. Horizon GT 650R comes with 2-cylinder 4-stroke 8-valve 90-degree V-twin 647cc liquid-cooled engine, weighing almost 215 kg and delivered the maximum power of 72.68 bhp at 9000 rpm. And performance-wise, 0 to 100 in just 5.50 seconds, and the top speed goes 210 km/h. And this main machine will cost you around 6 lakhs in India. This bike looks too sporty. Handling and riding position doesn't make much comfortable for the beginners. Also at braking part, it doesn't have an ABS. So now, from Horizon GT 650R, now we move to Harley Street 750. Yes, Harley is a big brand bike around the world, and every rider has a dream to own this cruise machine on the road. This is a truly sport-oriented motorcycle, which is powered by the high-output version of Revolution X V-twin engine. Of course, it's a cruise model, and let's see what it has. Harley Street Rod comes with 2-cylinder high-output Revolution X V-twin engine with a displacement of 749 cc, weighing almost 238 kg, gives the maximum power of 58 bhp at 8000 rpm. And the performance-wise, 0 to 100 in just 7.1 seconds, and reaches a top speed of 170 km/h. And this cruiser variant cost around 6.6 lakhs in India. Following the Harley Street Rod, now we're going to see the other rival from Honda, CBR 650F. The CBR 650F comes under the sports tourer category of motorcycles with better power from Japanese maker. Let's see, have a look into this. Honda CBR 650F comes with inline 4-cylinder liquid-cooled 16-valve with 648.72cc engine, and almost weighing 215 kg, delivers the maximum power of 85.25 bhp at 11,000 rpm, and reaches the maximum speed of 222 km/h, 0 to 100 in just 3.96 seconds. This beast gonna cost you around 8.5 lakhs in India. Entering the rivals list, what we're going to have now is the Italian beast, Benelli 600i. The power pack performance and the massive body look on this bike is a purely street fighter. Those who love the naked motorcycle, I'm sure you would like to have one. Let's see what we have in this. Benelli TNT 600i comes with inline 4-cylinder, 4-valve, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled with displacement of 600 cc. Which delivers the maximum power of 83.9 bhp at 11,500 rpm, and weighing almost 231 kg, and the performance 0 to 100 in just 3.8 seconds, and reaches the top speed of 240 km/h. And this main machine will cost you 6.80 lakhs in India. The service interval is only 4,000 km. which is not good for the superbike category. And the spares cost is 200 to 400% higher than the other competitors. And Benelli has another variant in 600cc category with the same engine displacement, which is fully packed tourer GT600 with 30k higher price tag. And the final rival is here from Kawasaki Ninja 650, the most impressive two-cylinder offering from the Japanese manufacturer. Well, compared in terms of value and the performance. Easy to ride and the aggressive styling makes every rider to own this. Well, let's know more. Kawasaki Ninja 650 comes with liquid-cooled 4-stroke parallel twin engine with the displacement of 649cc, which delivers the maximum power of 67.2 bhp at 8000 rpm, weighing almost 193 kg and reaches the top speed of 210 km per hour, with the performance 0 to 100 in just 4.6 seconds. And this green machine is going to cost you 6.5 lakhs in India. The service interval for the Kawasaki Ninja 650 is at 6000 km. Impression on throttle sound is the only drawback even you made the changes to the aftermarket exhaust. And it has another two variants on the Ninja family. One is ER6N, which is currently available. Soon the Kawasaki replacing the ER6N to Z650. And the other one is fully loaded tourer, which is Versus 650. So, as a beginner, we need to consider four major categories, which is price, performance, maintenance, and the handling. Getting into the Hyosung GT650R, the handling and the riding position is not too good for the beginners. And getting into the Honda CBR 650F, which is giving you aggressive performance, maintenance, and the handling, but the price is too high compared to the other three. And Benelli TNT 600 Ice, the Italian manufacturer, which is giving you aggressive body look, 4-cylinder performance, as well as the price is quite affordable. But the service interval and the service maintenance is getting you down. And finally, getting into the Kawasaki Ninja 650, which is giving you aggressive performance, styling, as well as the price. But the only negative thing is the sound. We hope this video will be very helpful for you, and stay tuned to get more videos and reviews with Motaliens, the Moto Aliens.